Okay, so you've already seen me do equal groups of the area model. We're going to transition from the area model look, because really distributive properties is 5 times 20 to 5 times 3, right? We're going to do the same thing over here. The same problem, 23 times 5, but we're going to do what's called a vertical look at it. We're going to decompose it as 20 plus 3 times, and then the line underneath it, 5. That's that vertical thing that we're used to, right? That vertical way of multiplying. We're doing the exact same moves. So we're going to multiply 5 times 3. Actually, it doesn't matter which way I go. 5 times 3 or 5 times 20. It doesn't matter. So I'm going to go 5 times 20 to give me that, what, 100. So I can do my little line. And then 5 times what? 3, which is 15. And I'm still getting that 115. And yes, I can decompose the 15 and say it's really 100 plus 10 plus 5. Give me that answer again. That's the vertical look of distributive property. It kind of ties into your area model. The horizontal look is the one I see the most in the classrooms. And where the kids do this 5 times and then parentheses 20 plus 3. And they'll model it that way. And then you'll see teachers do arrows, right? Or they'll rewrite it. Now the arrow is the reason for the distributive properties name. So the actual name, and I used to do this in the classroom like really, really loud. It's called the distributive property of multiplication over addition. And I would yell that out, over addition. I'm not a fan of this one in 3rd grade, simply because the kids forget to multiply the 5 times the 3. So I prefer them using the area model. If you're going to do this, do the area model. But it gets taught as part of it comes up in the TEKS, like the way of actually multiplying. So they're going to learn how to do it. But hopefully our teachers will have the kids rewrite it as this: 5 times 20 plus 5 times 3. That extra step will go a long way. And what is 5 times 20? 100. And again here, plus 15, 100 plus 10 plus 5 is 115. How easy is that? But in order for our students to understand this, they must go through this, okay? And then using these guys, right? Using those manipulatives. These guys are the greatest thing ever. They're wonderful tools to use. But it's a process, right? Equal groups, area model, then symbolic, vertical, horizontal look. It's a progression. And not that hard. It's kind of easy. So if our 3rd graders do all of these steps, they'll have multiplication down and they'll be ready for next year for sure.